Wait a second. What if somebody gave you a pair of glasses that once you put them on, you would see everything completely differently? Hi, my name is Sasan Habiband, and I'm a therapist, author, and scholar of Rumi. A question that I have always pondered is, why do we suffer? Where do anger, hate, violence, and unhappiness come from? How can we arrive at the joy and liberation that sages like Rumi have always promoted? I explored various sciences and read lots of books in my hope to find solid, convincing answers for those questions. And after a lifetime journey, I decided to share what I had found with anyone who was as enthusiastic as me. The outcome is the Tightrope Walker, which has recently been released. Read it, and I'm sure it's going to change everything for you.